Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on one of my current favorite products. So that is the Sivana Colors Shining Star Shimmer Brick Highlighting Palette. This is how it looks like. So I've been using this for quite some time, and this is in the shade 0. That is how it looks like. It's got a bit of orangey and pinkish. So this palette is more towards the orange and pinkish side. They have if I'm not wrong, I believe they have two more shades, which is more on the pinkish and bronzier side. I have been really loving this one. Now highlighters are something which I really love in makeup product. If I need to go out, I make sure that I wear highlighter. So highlighter gives you, I really love highlighters which are like bam in your face. Highlighters is very personal to everyone. There are people who like a nice subtle kind of glow, and there are people who like bam in your face kind of highlighters. I am a person who loves both, so it depends on the occasion. If I'm going to office or if I'm going to any official meet, I would like to have that natural subtle kind of a highlight. So for that purpose I would use a different kind of a cream based highlighter. But if I am in the mood to party or to shop or dress up, I would like to have the highlight which can be visible even from the moon. So yeah, so this one is that kind of a highlighter. The packaging is, I don't have the outer packaging of it, but this is how the main packaging looks like. It's very classy. It's got a see-through packaging wherein you can see all the colors right here, and this retails for around 350 rupees. I got it online on a discount. I got it from Flipkart. The actual price of it is around 800. I got it on a discount, but it's always on a discount, so you guys don't need to worry. Even if you go right now, you will get it on a discount. So the packaging is quite similar to a Revlon Shimmer Brick and Bobbi Brown highlighters, and I don't have the Bobbi Brown one, but I do have the Revlon one, and I must say this is equally good. For the price what it offers, the quality and the quantity and the packaging is amazing. So I don't know if you guys can make out, but I have the highlighter on right now and I am absolutely loving it. So I'm going to swatch each of the shades on my hand and show it to you how the pigmentation of the product is. The first shade is this one right here. This is the shade. This is just one swipe and you guys can see how nicely pigmented it is. The first shade looks like, it's a beautiful orangey kind of a shade which has a nice pearly finish to it. It looks really beautiful. You can either use it single, or you can, how I use it, I either use it single or I just swirl my brush around it and use it as a whole on my face. So this is the second shade right here. This is the second shade and it is an orangey shade again with pink undertones, and it is a gorgeous color. So this is the third shade, how the third shade looks like, and the third shade is a beautiful orangey color with again hints of shimmer in it. This is the fourth shade right here. Fourth shade, this is a nice orangey kind of a bronzy color. This one right here is the last shade. So this is how the last shade looks like. This is a nice orangey kind of a rosy color. So you guys can see how pigmented the shades are. This is just one swipe and it is amazing. It's really beautiful, and I'll just show to you guys if you swipe how the shade is gonna look like if you swipe it. So when you mix all the colors, you get this one right here. It's a nice beautiful pink and orange kind of mixed highlighter. You can also use it as a highlighter. How I like to use this, I use it as a highlighter, I use it as an eyeshadow, I also use it to highlight my inner corners. I also use it as a blush because it's got beautiful pink shades as well. So if you guys are looking for a nice highlighter which is amazingly pigmented and which is very affordable, you guys can definitely go for this one. I am definitely going to get the other two shades as well because I'm highly impressed with this one. It's right there for you guys. You can see how beautiful and highly pigmented it is, and I would highly recommend it to everyone. This is an amazing product if you're looking for a good affordable highlight. It is cheap, the packaging is amazing, the product itself is amazing. So that's it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.